Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on Upwork for clients. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create an Upwork client profile, the account setup process, how to post a job, and we will also do a walkthrough on the client interface. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. Upwork is the largest online talent solution connecting businesses and skilled freelance professionals. You can enjoy the freedom and flexibility of finding rewarding work from anywhere across the globe on Upwork, including opportunities to work with startups to large established brands. To start working freelance or to hire someone for your work, you need an account on Upwork. To create an account on Upwork, click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner. Upwork has two types of accounts. The first one is the client account, which is used for hiring freelancers for your project. And then there is the freelancer account, which is used by freelancers to search for jobs and get hired by clients. Here we are continuing with the client profile. Select it and then click on the Join as a Client button. This is the sign up page for clients. You can continue with your Apple ID, Google ID, or you can just continue with your email. Here enter your first name and last name. Enter your email ID here. Then create a password. Select your country from this drop down menu. Select your country of residence because later on for verification you will be asked for your ID proof and documents, and if they are mismatched, your Upwork profile will get blocked. Tick this box if you want emails from Upwork regarding tips, offers, and newsletters. And then tick this box of terms of service, user agreement, and privacy policy. And finally, click on the Create My Account button. After successful registration, you will be taken to the Welcome page. Now here you will be asked about your business size. You will have options of 1 to 10 employees, 10 to 100 employees, 100 to 1000 employees, and more than 1000 employees. Select the option according to your business size and then click on the Continue button. Now let's look at how to make a job posting on Upwork. To create a job posting, you need to complete 5 steps. First is the headline. Try to start with a strong headline. A strong headline will make your job stand out from the crowd and thereby help you reach the right candidates. Here in this box, type in the headline for your job post. To get an idea about how to write a headline, take a look at these examples. Enter your job post headline in this box and then click on the Next button. The second step is skills. Here you need to enter the main skills required for your job. You can select from these recommended skills here, or you can add the skills yourself. Just start typing and the relevant search will be shown here. After adding skills, you can also remove any skill by clicking on it. And once you have entered all the required skills, click on the Next button. The third step is scope. Here you need to specify the size of your project and the time it will take to complete. If your project is long-term or involves complex initiatives like designing and building a full website, select the large option here. If you have a well-defined project like a landing page, select the medium option. And if your project is small, quick, and involves straightforward tasks like updating texts or images on a web page, select the small option here. After selecting the size of your project, you need to specify how long your work will take to complete. You have the following options, which are more than 6 months, 3 to 6 months, and 1 to 3 months. Select the option according to your requirement. After specifying the project's duration, you need to select what level of experience it will need. If you're looking for someone relatively new to this field, select the entry level. If you're looking for substantial experience in this field, select the intermediate level. If you're looking for comprehensive and deep expertise in this field, then select the expert level. After selecting all the options according to your requirements, click on the next button. In the fourth step, you have to select your preferred talent's location. This increases proposals from talents in a specific region, but it still opens your job post to all candidates. We have two options here, US only and worldwide. If you select US only, only talents in the United States can submit proposals to your job. And if you select the worldwide option, talents from any location can submit proposals to your job listing. After selecting the location, you can also be more specific by selecting a particular region or country, but this is optional. After selecting the preferred location, click on the next button. The last step is budget, and this will help to match talents within your range. Upwork has two types of budgets, hourly rate and project budget. In the hourly rate project, you have to specify the rate per hour in dollars, and for the project budget, you have to fix a range for your project. If you're continuing with hourly rate, then enter the minimum and maximum hourly rate in dollars here. But remember that the minimum hourly rate on Upwork is $3. If you're continuing with the project budget option, then enter your budget in US dollars here. One of the main benefits of selecting a project budget is that you will have the option to create milestones which divides your project into manageable phases. After entering the amount, click on the description button. Now on this page, here under the title section, you can see the headline that we had previously set, and you can also make changes to it. Now enter a description for your job posting here. If you have already copied it to your clipboard, then just paste it here. From here, you can attach a file with the maximum file size of 100 MB, and then finally click on the Review Job Post button. Here on this page, you can review and verify all the details about your job post. If you want to post this job later, then from here you can save it as a draft, or else click on the Post This Job button, and your job will get posted. To post another job, you can use the Post a Job button under the Jobs tab at the top navigation bar. Under the Reports tab in the top navigation bar, you can see your account overview, financials, and freelancer activity pages. Under the Message tab, you can communicate with your co-workers and freelancers, and you can also share files. By clicking on Settings under the profile icon at the top right corner, you will be taken to this page. Here you can see many tabs in the left sidebar like My Info, Billing and Payments, Password and Security, Membership, Teams, Notification Settings, Members and Permissions, Tax Information, and Connected Services. With this, we have completed our tutorial on Upwork for clients. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.